Want to make your heading stand out and captivate your audience? In this video, we are diving into the animated headings block from Nextblocks. Perfect for adding dynamic text animation that brings your content to life. Whether you are highlighting key messages or adding a flair to your site, I'll guide you through setting it up. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextblock Pro plugin, go to Nextblock, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextblocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it, you have successfully activated the Nextblock Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the heading animation block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for heading animation. This is the block, enable it, and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of heading animation block from Nextblocks. From the type section, you have to select the animation type. Here you will find two animation types, highlights and text animation. We'll see each one. Let's see the highlight option first. This will allow you to highlight a text with an animation. From the highlight style, you can select different predefined styles. From the prefix content, you can add a text before the highlighted text. Then in the highlighted content section, you can change the text that you want to highlight. Then from the post content section, you can add text after the highlighted text. From the alignment, you can align the text. Now let's see the text animation option. This will allow you to switch between multiple text with an animation. From the animation style, you can select different animation styles like this. Again, in the prefix content, you can add text before the animated text. Then you have to use these repeater items to add the text that you want to animate. In each repeater item, you have to add one text. Then you can click on the add label to add more text. Then in the post content section, you can add some text after the animated text. In the duration timing, you can set the duration for the animation. You can add multiple duration values separated by pipe separator to add different values for each text. Then from the alignment, you can align the text. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to style this block. For both animation type, you will find different styling options. On the prefix and postfix tab, you can change the title tag of the post and prefix text. From the typography, you can adjust the typography. You can also add global typography. Then from the color, you can adjust the text color. Then from the animated text tab, you can adjust the animated text typography, color, line color. You will find different style based on the selected animation style type. Now let's see the highlights. With this again, we will find this prefix and postfix tab, animated text. You can adjust the typography, color. Then from the highlight animation tab, you can adjust the highlight animation style. You can set the animation duration, you can adjust the stroke width, you can adjust the stroke color. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the heading animation block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.